Hey, awesome music people. This is Benjamin, and we're working on the song Moving to Brussels by B.H.I. as his first name, last name, B.H.I.M.E.N. Here we go. So it starts off like this. It starts off like that. Let's take it from the beginning again. Then we've got this. There's two strums on that. That's just the 5th fret. It's a D-shaped chord. Then the 3rd fret on the same D-shaped chord, and then your A minor shape. This is making the C minor. But actually, wait, because we got because I want that C note. Just having too fun with this. That's such a cool song. I'll try one more time. So, intro. Sorry, again. Great work, and keep up the awesomeness.